Welcome. I want to talk to you today about all the cool happenings in Lake Tahoe from late February to early March. I'm Tahoe Tony, and we've got some great events coming up that I really want to tell you about, some very fun events. I love the wintertime and the snow. Summer's my favorite, but I still love winter very much because it's a really cool event. So you're going to want to see these, but before we do that, let me introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony. My last name is Tuoto. I'm the managing broker for eXp Realty at Incline Village, and I handle real estate all of the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe. So if you're thinking about making a move in 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, go ahead and reach out, give me a call, shoot me a text, and I'll make sure your move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada is the best real estate experience you've ever had. So let's get on to these events. Now that I've taken care of the business there, let's get on to these events. We've got some fun events. And so at the Sugar Pine Point State Park, I had to practice that one. We've got the full moon guided snowshoe tour. So every full moon in winter, they're doing this. They did one in January. So the next one's coming up February 24th. And then the next one is March 23rd. So if you want to plan on that. And I don't know if you've ever been out under the full moon in the snow. It is fantastic. It's so beautiful and bright. It's so bright you could read a book. It's crazy. And I love it. I've been snowshoeing. I've been skiing at night. I've gone paddling on the lake in the summertime, not in the winter. And it's just fun. Something about it is just magical. It's really great. So what they're doing here, they say, join us for a very special full moon snowshoe treks. Take in the brisk mountain air as you snowshoe under the moon and learn about the High Sierra. Our knowledgeable guides will discuss local natural history and fascinating facts about our moon. The cost is $90 per person. And that includes your snowshoes, the poles, knowledgeable guides, natural and human history discussions, trail snacks, hot drinks, and no permit. And the permit is included, no experience necessary. So if you've never done this, you can do this as a guided tour, so you're not going to get lost. It should be a great event. And that's actually on February 24th, and again on the next full moon on March 23rd. And then there's another great event. This has for those people who like to be healthy. And I'm in that group. Health is one of my passions. The Lost Sauna Company Wellness Series. And this is going to be, again, at the Sugar Pine Point State Park. Whew, I got to slow down that one. Sugar Pine Point State Park. This is February from 9 a.m. to noon. Make your health a priority in 2024. Treat yourself to the benefits of breathwork, cold plunges, and saunas. Join us each Sunday in February from 9 a.m. to noon, where we will focus on a different guided breathing technique in the Lakeview room. That's the easy part. Followed by a group cold plunge in Lake Tahoe. That's the hard part. So if you got a weak heart, you don't want to do this. But if you're healthy or you want to get healthy, this is a good way to get healthy. Cold plunges are great. They stimulate your endocrine system. It's awesome. And then the best part about this, after you do your cold plunge, you get to go into the lakeside sauna session. So should be a fun day of breath work, very important. Cold plunge, super healthy for you. And then a sauna, which is great. Super health benefits is there as well. And then we have the Snowfest going on over in Tahoe City, and they're kicking it off with some fireworks on the Tahoe City golf course, which should be fun. Like, again, I don't know if you've been outside in the wintertime under the full moon and such, but fireworks at night on the snow is pretty awesome. It's going to be on the golf course, so it should be pretty open space. That's March 1st from 5 to 8. And then we'll be kicking off the celebration with a bang on Friday, March 1st at the Tahoe City golf course with a fireworks show and live music featuring the Nomads, the North Lake Tahoe's premier rock band. Music will kick off at 5:30 and the fireworks will start at approximately 7 o'clock. So that should be pretty cool. And then we also have the Garwoods. Speaking of cold plunges, here's another event. This one's just for fun though. The Garwoods 35th Annual Polar Bear Swim. And that is taking place on March 2nd from 12 a.m. to 4 p.m. And this is at the Garwoods Grill and Pier in Carnelian Bay. It's on the California side. Join us for this year's Polar Bear Swim on Saturday, March 2nd at Garwoods Grill and Pier on Lake Tahoe. And if you're brave enough, so you can just go and watch these crazy people do it, or if you want to do one of the crazy people swims, you can sign up. You can go to garwoods.com and sign up for the Polar Bear Swim. It's a lot of fun. I've seen people do it. I've never done the swim, but I've seen people do it, and it's a lot of fun. They've got good cocktails at Garwoods, and sometimes they have some pretty good food too. So, and then also in the North Lake Tahoe Snowfest on March 2nd from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., the city of Kings Beach. North Lake Tahoe Snowfest is one of the largest winter mountain festivals on the West Coast. Our annual event celebrates the best of North Lake Tahoe and all it has to offer by showcasing the relationships between the North Lake Tahoe community and the people who visit. Our mission is to support local nonprofits, public programs, student organizations, and scholarships through the production of our unique 10-day festival. So, should be a pretty fun event. That Tahoe Snowfest is a great event. We've got snow now, so I'm excited. There's also another great event taking place on March 8th. This is the U.S. Forest Service Ski with a Ranger. So you actually get to go out and ski with a ranger, and then they're going to get ready for an adventure with a ski with a ranger conservation education series at Sierra at Tahoe, led by conservation experts in partnership with Sierra. This series is designed to educate the community on the natural history and the ecology of our beautiful region and the Forest Service role in ski area management. Isn't that fun? And then we've got the Road to Wondergrass Tahoe. This is in March 15th, the Ides of March, right? Watch your back. At 7 p.m., this is going to be at the Alibi and then an Incline Village and then the Crystal Bay Club Crown Room. Now, here's the list of events going on here. The Wonder House Tahoe should be pretty fun. 6 amazing shows are presented by Travel North Tahoe, Dead Winter Carpenters, AJ Lee and Blue Summit, Broncos Compass Bluegrass, and one more to be announced further down the road will hit the Crystal Bay Club Crown Room. So a good group of concerts going on there. Should be fun if you're into the bluegrass and the funky kind of music everybody likes. Should be fun. And then another event, if you want to get healthy, this is the 4th annual Luggi Foeger. I hope I pronounced that right. I probably didn't. Uphill Downhill Festival. So at 8 a.m., this is going to be at Diamond Peak Ski Resort in Incline Village. That's the ski resort that belongs to the town of Incline Village. It's open to the public, but if you are a resident, you get super good discounts on your ski passes. So a nice little mountain, amazing lake views at Diamond Peak. So what this event is, the Lake Tahoe Basin's premier ski-mo competition, an incredibly family-friendly event. Competitors race to the top of the mountain using whatever human-powered method you prefer. Skins, snowshoes, running shoes, etc. And ski, snowboard, snowshoe, or run back down to the finish line. So you get to go up as ever you can and they get down as fast. So running might be helpful, but you're going to have a hard time beating the skiers on the way down. So it should be an interesting event. And then we also have the 2024 Heavenly Village Easter egg hunt. Heavenly Village is on the south side of Lake Tahoe in Nevada, and their part is in California, part is in Nevada. Beautiful, beautiful resort, and this is on March 31st at 10 a.m. with $1,000 in cash hidden within plastic eggs in various denominations. The race is on for children to find as many eggs as possible within the allotted time. Additionally, the event has a charitable component which proceeds going to Christmas Cheer, which provides food for families in need all year round. So this should be a good event, fun for the kids to get out there, and usually the weather in March can be nice. So you take your chances on that one if it's going to be a beautiful day or not. Sometimes in March it's gorgeous, and sometimes you've got a blizzard going on. So that's what's happening in Lake Tahoe. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, go ahead and subscribe below. Click on the notification bell, and you'll be the first one notified when I put out another great video about the real estate market or what's happening in Lake Tahoe. And I'd love to see you next time.